Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML at home. Start by exploring free online resources like W3 Schools or MDN Web Docs, which offer comprehensive guides and interactive exercises. Focus on understanding the fundamental building blocks of HTML, such as tags, elements, and attributes. You'll also want to set up a basic text editor, like VS Code, and use your web browser to view your creations. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building any web page. Once you have the basics down, dive deeper into core HTML concepts. Learn how to effectively use headings, paragraphs, and various list types to organize your content. Discover how to embed images and construct tables using the appropriate HTML tags. Pay attention to semantic HTML elements like header, nav, main, and footer to create well-structured and accessible web pages. This will make your code cleaner and easier to maintain. The best way to solidify your HTML knowledge is through consistent practice. Start by building small personal projects, like a simple resume page or a recipe card, to apply what you've learned. Challenge yourself to recreate existing website layouts from scratch, focusing on structure and content. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain real-world experience and collaborate with other developers. Hands-on application is key to becoming proficient. To truly advance, explore modern HTML5 features such as embedding video and audio or using the canvas element for graphics. Next, integrate CSS to style your web pages beautifully and JavaScript to add dynamic interactivity. Remember, HTML is the foundation, but CSS and JavaScript bring your websites to life. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.